Florida Tech, in partnership with ABA Technologies Incorporated, is excited to announce an updated Registered Behavior Technician training. Our online training, RBT Essentials, now includes coverage for both the first and second edition BACB task list requirement. This 40-hour course is organized to include coverage in measurement, assessment, skill acquisition, behavior reduction, documentation and reporting, as well as professional conduct and scope of practice. Along with the continued benefits of on-demand coursework, RBT Essentials certification training prepares students to sit for the RBT examination offered by the BACB, in addition to providing guidance for maintaining individual certification. 2 practice tests come complimentary with registration to assist learners in preparation for the BACB's credentialing exam. Florida Tech now utilizes advanced integrated technology which permits students to seamlessly move between their course and video modules. These modules include interactive lectures, exercises, demonstrations, practice activities, and more. Fluency building vocabulary flashcards and quizzes are also integrated throughout to assist students in building a firm foundation in the language of applied behavior analysis and to encourage skill building as students move further into their training. With our above-average test scores on the BCBA and BCABA certification exams, Florida Tech offers a proven track record for helping our students learn and succeed. Find out everything you need to know to be successful in your role as a registered behavior technician, coupled with greater job satisfaction, enriching the lives of those who need your help. Take this opportunity to advance your career without having to earn a college degree and gain an enhanced understanding of the professional practice and principles of applied behavior analysis. To register or find out more regarding RBT Essentials training, contact Continuing Education Student Services at abareg@fit.edu or call 321-674-8382, option 2.